Hey guys, quick little video. Picked up a couple of new things. It's a mower under the tarp and a collector. It's an old Husqvarna. It's missing the gas lever. There's a problem with the self-propelling. There are springs that need to be changed and the pull cord's ripped off. But I got it for free. It only cost me like $4 in fuel. And I picked it up. And here's another bike that I picked up early this morning. It's a nice Diamant. It's an old bike, but it's got white walls. I'm not sure the back tire holds pressure. Might need a new hose or tube. Front one seems to be holding. There's another car there, Yosemite. That's from Biltema. And up here is, that's a bit close. There's the Velosa that I listed for sale. Here is our beater. This is the one that needs to be welded with my new welder. There's a hole right there, and there's a tear right there. But it's been stored dry outside. I put the choke on, pulled it once, and it started right up. No winterization. And so this one just needs an oil change and clean. Should be fun. Here is what I just got running. It's a White Outdoor Products 20-inch, I think, mower with a Briggs & Stratton Sprinter 3.75 horse motor. I changed the oil. I couldn't find the correct spark plug, so it's just the same spark plug. I disabled because it was broken, so I just removed the wire. And I'm gonna list this. I got it for free. Cost me under 100 kroner, under $10 for fuel where I picked it up. Cost like $5-6. And I'm gonna list it for what's equivalent of about $40 current prices, and I'll accept like 30. So I don't know. I'm just gonna list it, see if there's anybody who wants it. It's a bit hard to start. It says easy start, and if you prime it, it starts. I should have cleaned the carburetor on it, but I just don't have the space. And it starts and runs just fine. If you prime it 5-6 times, pull it, you might have to push the primer once while running. But yeah, I got it starting. It runs very nice. So that's that. The garden trailer still works like a charm, exactly like it should. And it's forecast quite a bit of bad weather tonight and later this evening and tonight. And I bought a new tarp to put over the mowers. This is my work area. The bikes can be outside. I'm going to take the bike off the stand and take that inside, the stand inside, because I don't want that to be out in the weather. And yeah, so hopefully like 10-11 tomorrow morning the weather should clear up, hopefully, and I can get to work on the Diamond, and maybe also the Yosemite. Out twice today, picked up 2 free things. Should make a couple of bucks on them. Flipperoo! Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you find the videos entertaining, and I hope to make a wrenching video or maybe even a welding video tomorrow. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you later. Bye.